Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 168 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm trying out another LA Colors makeup product that I picked up from the Dollar Tree for $1, and this is the powder blush in the shade bronzer, but then right on the product here it says the LA Colors bronzer. I can't believe I've never actually tried this out before because this is such a classic dollar store makeup product that's been around for so long, I feel like, and it's also still available at most Dollar Trees. I have tried out the LA Colors like I Heart Makeup bronzer that's in the kind of booklet, and I really like that bronzer. I was so pleasantly surprised. I'll be sure to link that video down below if you haven't seen it yet. But so we'll see if this bronzer compares to that one. I never actually use these little applicator things though. So this looks like it has a lot of silver shimmer to it. I'm just gonna go ahead and swatch it. Wow, yeah, a lot of shimmer, but not much pigment. It's also looking kind of orange. I'm gonna take my Dollar Store Wet n Wild contour brush and apply it to my cheekbones to add that bronze highlighted kind of look. Wow. That actually does add some really nice color, but wow, it's got a lot of shimmer to it. Since it has a lot of shimmer, I'm gonna keep this to being a bronzer to warm up my skin rather than a contour, because that shimmer doesn't really give that shadow effect. But wow, as a kind of highlighting, shimmering, bronzing blush, this is looking really nice. It looks super smooth on my skin and blends out really nicely. Like looking at my skin, it doesn't look powdery at all. It looks very natural, like it's just my skin with some shimmer, and like the color looks very natural as well. It's not actually looking super orange now that I've applied it to my face. But I feel like I don't need to use a super light hand since it's not very pigmented. I can really apply a lot, and that might look like a little much, but in order to get the full effect. I'm gonna also go ahead and add it to my forehead. I just like to add some color and dimension. Yeah, I feel like that looks totally fine as a forehead kind of bronzing contour shade as well, not just only for a blush. Wow, okay, so I'm feeling very satisfied by this product. I think it really fulfilled its purpose of adding some glow really to my skin. I was so like pale, even toned before this, but now I really feel like I have some dimension and glow. That shimmer helps give that glow on top of the really like warm bronze shade. And I kind of like that it's not super pigmented, because sometimes if a bronzer is too pigmented, it's gonna look splotchy, not blend out as nicely, and it could be kind of overwhelming on my very fair skin. So I'm actually really happy with how this looks. I love that it looks so smooth and natural as well. I'm a big fan of the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. I did a review on that, so I'll link that video down below as well. And this one, I feel like is very comparable because it looks smooth, but it has that shimmer and it's a lighter shade, which is just like my Physicians Formula bronzer in the shade bronzer, which I have right here. So both of them are very similar shades, like they're a light, warm toned bronze. But my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer cost me at least $13 or $14. This one's only $1. So I think that this one is really good for the price, and the formula is really good. So this is going to be another successful dollar store makeup product that I've tried out. It's really hard for me to decide which of the LA Colors bronzers I like more, because I really do like this one, but I think that the booklet version is a bit more pigmented, but they're both really good. If you're looking for a lighter bronzer with shimmer, I absolutely recommend this LA Colors bronzer. And definitely, if you've already tried this, let me know in the comments down below what you think of it and if you have any tips for applying this. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.